We often see Earth as our eternal home, but the universe has other plans. Science reveals that planets, stars, and galaxies all have life cycles, including Earth. Our planet has a deadline dictated by the physics of our sun. In about 1 billion years, Earth will become uninhabitable, not because of us, but because of the sun's evolution. 1 billion years is an almost unimaginable stretch of time. For perspective, modern humans have existed for just 300,000 years. Dinosaurs vanished 66 million years ago. So this isn't a problem for us or countless generations to come. But understanding this cosmic forecast gives us perspective on our place in the universe. The story of Earth's end is a story of heat written by astrophysics and climate science. The sun, our life giver, is also the agent of our planet's eventual demise. It won't explode or disappear, but it will change, slowly, steadily, and predictably. As it ages, the sun will grow brighter and hotter, setting off a chain of events on Earth. These changes will gradually strip away everything that makes Earth habitable. The process will be relentless and entirely natural. Let's journey into the distant future and explore the science behind this cosmic eviction notice. We'll see how the sun's evolution spells doom for our world. We'll trace the effects on our atmosphere, oceans, and all life. And we'll consider what this means for a species just beginning to understand its cosmic context. This isn't a story of despair, it's a story of knowledge. It's a testament to our ability to look ahead and comprehend the universe's grand narrative. Our time on Earth is precious, and understanding its limits gives us a deeper appreciation for the present. Let's see what the future holds for our world. The clock is ticking, but the story is far from over. The sun feels constant, but it's a dynamic, middle-aged star. At its core, nuclear fusion fuses hydrogen into helium, releasing the energy that powers life on Earth. Over time, the sun's core changes, hydrogen is depleted, helium builds up, and the core contracts. This raises the temperature and pressure, causing fusion to speed up. The sun is gradually getting brighter, about 1% every 100 million years. Over cosmic timescales, this small change has huge consequences. In 1 billion years, the sun will be about 10% brighter. That extra energy will push Earth's climate past a critical tipping point. Our planet's climate, stable for eons, will be overwhelmed. The sun's evolution is inevitable, dictated by the laws of physics. The same star that nurtured life will eventually make Earth uninhabitable. It's a cosmic irony. Our life giver will also be our undoing. Understanding this process is key to grasping Earth's long, slow farewell. The sun's steady brightening sets the stage for everything that follows. Our planet's fate is sealed by the very engine that made life possible. The countdown has already begun. The question is not if, but when. Let's see what happens next as the sun's power grows. The sun's extra energy will trigger a devastating chain reaction. The first victim, our oceans. As surface temperatures rise, water evaporation skyrockets. More water vapor, a potent greenhouse gas, traps even more heat, creating a runaway moist greenhouse effect. The atmosphere becomes saturated and ultraviolet light breaks water molecules apart. Hydrogen escapes into space, lost forever. Oxygen lingers, but much is lost too. Over millions of years, the oceans boil away and sea levels plummet. Earth dries out, transforming from a blue marble to a barren desert. The water cycle breaks and oxygen production collapses as ocean life dies. The atmosphere thins, becoming hot, dense, and suffocating. Earth is left with little water or oxygen, a sterile, inhospitable world. The transformation is slow but unstoppable. The loss of oceans marks the beginning of the end for life. The death of Earth's biosphere is a slow, painful process. Plants, the foundation of ecosystems, are the first to go as water vanishes and temperatures soar. Forests wither, grasslands turn to dust, and green landscapes fade away. Oxygen production collapses, and animals soon follow. Herbivores starve, carnivores lose their prey, and the food web unravels. The loss of water and oxygen makes survival impossible for complex life. Extinction sweeps across the planet, erasing millions of years of evolution. Yet life clings on. Microbes, extremophiles, retreat deep underground or into salty remnants. For a time, these hardy organisms are Earth's last inhabitants. But as the sun grows hotter, even they are doomed. Eventually all water boils away and the last microbes perish. Earth becomes a hot, dry, sterile rock, a silent monument to lost life. The planet's biological story ends, but its orbit continues. The tapestry of life, woven over eons, unravels in a geological instant. The end is inevitable, but the story of life's resilience endures. What comes next is up to us. Earth's fate is sealed, but humanity's story doesn't have to end here. We are problem solvers, and 1 billion years offers time for unimaginable progress. One solution: leave Earth behind and build self-sustaining space habitats, artificial worlds orbiting the sun. Or we could terraform Mars or the moons of Jupiter and Saturn, creating new homes in our solar system. The boldest idea: interstellar travel, journeying to planets orbiting distant stars. This would require propulsion systems and technologies far beyond today's capabilities. Generation ships could carry communities across the stars, seeking a new Earth. These ideas sound like science fiction, but history shows fiction often becomes reality. 1 billion years is enough time for humanity to evolve, adapt, and innovate. Our descendants may see space colonization as routine. Survival will depend on looking outward and embracing our cosmic destiny. The future is open, limited only by our imagination and determination. The end of Earth is not the end of us, if we choose to reach for the stars. Our journey is just beginning. This distant deadline isn't cause for despair, it's a call to action. Thinking on billion-year timescales inspires us to invest in science and technology. The challenges of surviving beyond Earth demand innovation in energy, life support, and artificial intelligence. These advances can also help us solve today's problems: climate change, resource scarcity, and more. Our cosmic forecast reminds us of our fragility and the need for long-term planning. The journey to becoming a multiplanetary species starts with small steps: Mars probes, moon bases, better spacecraft. Each step is an investment in our survival. This perspective puts current conflicts in context. What matters is working together for our descendants. Space exploration and planetary survival require global cooperation. The quest for survival could unite humanity with a common purpose. Our billion-year deadline is a gift. We have time to prepare. Unlike the dinosaurs, we can see our doom coming and act. Knowledge makes us agents of our own destiny. The future belongs to those who innovate and dream. Earth's final countdown is humbling. It places all of human history within a fleeting window. We are living in the golden age of habitability, a rare and precious moment. This perspective should fill us with awe and gratitude for the present. Knowing our time is limited should inspire us to be better stewards of Earth. The sun's distant threat shouldn't distract from today's urgent challenges: climate change, biodiversity loss, pollution. Protecting our planet now is the first step toward a long-term future. We are citizens of the cosmos, part of a story much larger than ourselves. Understanding our place gives our lives deeper meaning and connects us to the universe. When you look at the sun, remember, it gives life but also sets the ultimate deadline. Let this knowledge inspire you to cherish Earth, support science, and dream of a future among the stars. We are guardians of this unique moment in cosmic history. Our challenge is to be worthy of that responsibility and ensure the story of life continues long after Earth's clock runs out.